Luna is back. I can't believe I'm making a video about Luna again, but Luna Classic has made 10x in the last days. Why is making 10x? Is it a good investment choice? I can already make you a spoiler, it's not a good investment decision. In today's video, we are going to understand what is going on, what is this Luna Classic, why is going up so much, and we will understand how MemeCoins work, how Dogecoin works, how Shiba Inu works, and why you shouldn't invest on them, but there is ways to make money of them. So we are going to see all of that. But before we start, as always, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. If you want more videos like this, you can always subscribe to not miss out on any of them. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Lastly, but not less important, if you want to buy ASIC miners, you have the link to the shop in the description. And with all that said, let's go! Okay, so here we are. What is going on, Pedro? Well, basically, as you can see here, if we go to CoinMarketCap, we can see that the coin number 26 by market cap is right now Terra Classic. What is going on? How can this project be over here? It went up 100% since yesterday. What is this? Well, that's what we're gonna see today. What is Terra Classic? Okay, for people who doesn't know, okay, I'm gonna make a quick explanation unless, I guess everybody knows, because if you don't know about Terra, you probably were living under a rock or something, but still, I'm gonna explain what is going on. Basically, Terra was an ecosystem that grew a lot during the bull run of 2021, but especially on the late bull run of November of 2021 to 2022. Why? Because it had a huge ecosystem that was actually second by total value locked after Ethereum. There was a lot of protocols, it was mixed with Cosmos, there were a lot of opportunities to do DeFi, but there was a huge protocol called Anchor Protocol, okay? Anchor Protocol was a protocol where you would put your dollars and it would give you 20% in that stablecoin. Okay, what happened after? Basically, Anchor Protocol collapsed. So, as I said, basically, Anchor Protocol was giving 20%, but it collapsed. Why it collapsed? Because Anchor Protocol was based not on dollar, but on UST, which was a coin that was replicating dollar. And as you can see, it doesn't replicate dollar anymore. It was supposed to be $1, and basically a hedge fund attacked Luna. There was a lot of drama behind, and it went all the way down to 4 cents when it should be $1. So, what was the aftermath? Basically, because this UST was linked algorithmically to Terra, for every UST that they were trying to burn, they had to create more Terra Luna. So Terra Luna went from $80 in one day to like 0.0001 cents, which is crazy, okay? If you would have sorted like $1 out of Terra, you would have gotten, I think, like $150. So some crazy numbers, okay? A lot of people lost their money. There was like $40 billion disappearing from Earth in a second, okay? It was crazy, as I said. And basically Terra disappeared. Well, it didn't really disappear because this is crypto, and when someone does this and makes like $40 billion disappear, what happens? They don't go to court. Normally they would go to court. They just created the same project and they created Terra 2.0. So now there is Terra, and this Terra that used to be Terra now is Terra Classic. But this new Terra basically has, well, it hasn't moved too much. There was a lot of sell pressure on the beginning because it was an airdrop for everyone who had Terra, as you may probably know. And it went down in price super quickly. And now it is around like $1. It's not moving. Okay, Terra is not moving. It's Terra Classic which is moving. So what is happening with Terra Classic? Why Terra Classic now, from all the bottom where he is, it moved up 10x, okay? It went from 0.0005 to 0.0005, okay? 4 zeros to 3 zeros. It's crazy the numbers, but it's how it works. Why it's going up so much? Well, basically because they made a proposal in Terra. As you know, Terra is decentralized, so you can put proposals and they can accept them. And they have created a 1.2% tax. How does that work? Every time you buy or sell Terra, 1.2% of the transaction will be burned, and if this burned, there is less Terra, so the price should go up. Wow, amazing tokenomics. Basically, right now there is 6.1 billion Luna tokens, and this is the way of cleaning the mess that they made. Because remember, when they were going down in price, it was because they were printing Terra like this was Germany or something before Hitler. Like this was like the Weimar Republic. They were printing the money like this, crazy. So basically, the idea is to do the opposite and burn all the Terra. But is this gonna last? Is this a good idea? Is a good idea to buy Terra Luna? Of course not. So I'm gonna explain what's the biggest problem. Basically, the idea is that the more Terra that is used, the more volume there is, the more it will get burned, the more it will grow in price. So right now you can see yesterday, for example, the volume for 24 hours was $3.8 billion, which is $3.8 billion is basically this, okay? This is $3.8 billion. So if we put a tax of 0.015%, if I'm not mistaken, it's 0.15 or 1.2, okay. So if we put a tax of 1.2%, basically every day you're burning 45 million Luna, which obviously is great. I mean, if you do this for a month, if you keep the volume up, you will be burning more than $1 billion of Luna, which is crazy, okay? That would definitely pump the market cap. But you need to understand that this is not happening, okay? People is buying in, people is thinking that the market cap is going up because they are burning Luna. It's not true, okay? Why? Because most of these burned Luna that should happen is not happening because Binance is not applying the tax burn. Binance, the other centralized exchanges are not applying this. Why? Because centralized exchanges don't work like this. The idea of this proposal, and they even say it in here, they say one of the cons of the proposal is there is no guarantee that central exchange will burn off chain. Why? Because everything that happens in Binance is not in the chain, it's not in the blockchain, it's an entity that makes the transactions by themselves. So when you you deposit Luna into Binance, then you can use it there. Of course, you can use it there, and then you will put it out. It's that simple. Like the only things that happen on chain is the entrance and the deposit and the withdrawal. But all the transactions in the middle don't get that tax burn, and it's not in Binance and it's not in any of the central exchanges. And as you can see, most of the volume of Luna is literally Binance, little bit in KuCoin and Gate.io, and that's basically all. So basically this is not real, like that burn is not happening, okay? They are triggering retail to come and buy, but it's not really happening. Nothing is gonna change. Terra Classic is not gonna go to 1 cent, they were saying, or $1. Like, I mean, if it goes to $1, it will have like 3 times the market capita that the market cap that Bitcoin has, okay? Right now Luna is like what, 4 billion? Yeah, 3.2 billion, okay? If it goes to $1, like they are saying, it would do like 1x, 2x, 3x, okay? It would be 1,000. So it would be 3 trillion market per capita, which is, it's just crazy, 3 trillion. I mean, Bitcoin is 395 billion. Are you crazy? Obviously not going to $1, okay? So how is this going on? Why is it going on? How it works with Dogecoin, which is same thing, a meme coin, okay? How it works with Shiba Inu? How do you trade meme coins? How do you make money with meme coins? Well, meme coins are very easy to understand, but not very easy to make money. They are basically like a casino. How does it work? Basically, the first meme coin that was created, at least that I know, was Dogecoin. Dogecoin was actually created in 2014, and they were just using it to send money to each other in a small Reddit group, and it didn't have any value, okay? Sometimes it was growing in value, sometimes it was going down, and then it became a meme in the first bull run in 2018, and the meme was kind of small, but it started growing, and in the bull run of 2021 is when Elon Musk mentioned Dogecoin. I don't remember why, but then it went all the way to 5 cents, and from there it went to 20 cents, and from there it went to 70 cents when Elon Musk almost mentioned it in a TV show, something like that. I don't know, those crazy times. But how do meme coins work? Very simple. They pump, okay, and then they disappear when nobody talks to them. If they talk about them, they pump a little bit, and they go down, and you end up in the same position you were on the beginning, 6 cents, okay? Shiba Inu, same thing. Shiba Inu is like Dogecoin 2.0. Wow, a pump, okay, a huge pump, okay, then it disappears, then another pump because somebody talk about it, and then again it disappears, okay? It's always the same with meme coins. How do they work? They create some news, everybody talk about them, retail buy them because no institution buy these things, shit, to be completely honest, and after that they start disappearing because people don't talk about them. So how can you make money with shitcoins? That's how you call them normally, with meme coins. Basically you have to know the news before they start, because 99% of the people start buying here, okay? When they see the news, it's already like 5x up, and yes, you can take 5x, obviously, maybe you are lucky, but most of the time you're gonna end up losing because they don't sell, because they don't want to sell, and they are buying on the top. It's always the same, okay? And Luna is the same. Just look at the graph, bro. It's literally the same graph as Shiba Inu, okay? What is left in this graph? What are we missing? I don't know. What are we missing? Maybe all the down part? Yes, of course. Like, that's the part that is missing. It's like safe moon. Like, it's the same thing. It's no, we are burning the token. We are making money. It's not real, okay? You are not gonna make money. It's a casino. So basically, the price for now is gonna go down. How can you make money with meme coins? One, you are early. You know about the new, and as soon as you see retail coming in, you start buying. Or point 2, you sort the coin. You can go sort on the coin. You can do that. That's for sure. That's a good strategy. But you have to be very careful going short, because it can move a lot, okay? It can move up very quick. You see, yesterday it did 100%. If it does 100% and you are short, you have a serious problem, okay? You will have to take that into account. You have to be very careful with limits when you are going short. But it will make you money in the long term because this will happen. But we don't know if we are here, or if we are here, okay? So my recommendation, don't use MemeCoins. Don't invest in MemeCoins. MemeCoins are basically a casino. People love casinos, people love to gamble, and there is thousands of channels in the internet. Look at this channel in YouTube. Market gains, all videos about how Luna is going to $1,000, Luna is going to $1, it's so close, 35% of the taxation firms in KuCoin are going good, 1 trillion is gonna get burned. Please don't listen to this. It's fat. It's not real, okay? If you go down, you will see that they are talking also about Shiba Inu. Why? Because in those days, 3 weeks ago, people were talking about Shiba Inu. Oh, but 2 weeks before that, they were talking about AMC. Oh, what a chance! They are talking about AMC. So this is all fake, okay? You put Shiba Inu in YouTube, and it's going to $1. It's going up. Shiba Inu 1000x. It's not happening, okay? This video is from 2 days ago. Shiba Inu didn't even move, okay? And they're making these videos. So don't believe anything that you see about these coins. They're all memes, okay? They are not real. And if you invest in them, you're gonna lose all your money, okay? It's like going to the casino. You have 20%, 27 chances of losing everything and 1 chance of making $27. Well, that's great, but on the long term, with fees, you're gonna lose money. It's basically gambling, okay? So no, crypto are not about making huge amount of money in a day. Yes, you can do it, but that's gambling. That's not investing. So don't say I invest in Shiba Inu. You can say, hey, I gamble in Shiba Inu. Hey, I love to play my money on Shiba Inu Casino. It's great. Let's do it with Luna Classic. Well, you can say that because that's true. You are gambling your money, but you are not investing. So take that into account. In my opinion, I never do recommendation advices because I never recommend investing. I never recommend to anybody what they should invest, but I will recommend you not to invest in these coins because it's not an invest, okay? It's a gamble. I wouldn't buy any of them. I would stay the farthest away I can from them. Yes, maybe if you buy in the right time, you can time it and you can make money for sure, but you can also lose a lot of money. You can also get the lucky number on the roulette once every 27 times. Of course you can, but I don't want to do that because it's not statistically correct and I won't like to do that. So if you want to do it, good for you, but you're gambling, you're not investing. So I won't never recommend you to do something that is not investing. And with all that said, I'm gonna finish the video. What is the future of Luna Terra Classic? It's gonna go down. Is that simple, okay? It's a dead project. There's nothing building up in there, okay? It's not BNB, it's not Ethereum, there's nothing built behind them, okay? So they are not going to $1, they're not going to 1 cent. The idea is that you see small numbers and you say, oh, it's a small number, it can go up because Bitcoin is 20k. It's not like that. You have to look by market cap. Compare the market cap because you have it here. It's very easy to compare. And you'll see that it's crazy numbers, it makes no sense, and people who's telling you that probably doesn't know anything about crypto. With all that said, I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up for the algorithm. It helps a lot. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!